Hi everyone, welcome to Twinr tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to enable app review. Let's understand what is app review. When you want to prompt your app users to leave reviews or ratings on PlayStore and App Store, you can utilize this feature. To enable it, go to Add-ons, Extension and App Review and enable it. Here you need to provide app review schedule, means how many times you want to prompt your users for the reviews. The schedule starts from the day user installs the app. For example, if you want to prompt for the review on the 10th, 60th and 100th time user open the app, then put 10, 60 and 100 in the field. We recommend not to bug users to leave feedback frequently. It's not a good practice. Also, Apple and Google will allow you to prompt for asking reviews only once a month. Rest from the schedule will be skipped. Now save as a draft and that's it. You are good to go. If you want to test this feature, you can test for Twinr Preview app. Download the Preview app from Play Store and preview on your Android phone. When you see the prompt asking for reviews, you can try to give the review and remember that this review is for Twinr Preview app. So be honest and help us with your honest reviews. If you have an active subscription, you can also test it by installing APK in your phone. Go to Build, take a build and download it in your phone and test locally. This feature is very useful for your business user growth. It helps in increasing app installations, user retention, boosting visibility in App Store and Play Store, and marketing. Great! It's only available in premium plan, but you can test everything in your 14-day free trial. Remember that this feature is over-the-air feature. That means if your app version 1.0 is live on the stores, you can update the app review changes and click on Publish to Production. And then all the users who has 1.0 version downloaded on their phone will have the latest changes automatically over the air. So no need to publish new version and get it approved on the stores. So please make use of over-the-air feature and avoid the approval hassles. If you have any question or concerns, please contact us on live chat or email at hello@twinr.dev. Please also refer to our help documentations for detailed information. That's it for this video and I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe for more updates from Twinr. Thanks for watching.